In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your VVT solenoid or your variable valve timing solenoid on your Honda CR-V. It's located on your engine on the passenger side near your serpentine belt. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to loosen up this bolt. After you get it started, you can use your hands and take it out the rest of the way. I'm going to put a socket on there to reach it better. Put your bolt to the side. I'm going to disconnect our connector by pushing down and pulling. Set that to the side, and now we're going to pull this out. You can twist it a little bit and pull. All right, so before installing, make sure you put some engine oil on your O-ring. And I'm going to reach down, make sure that the surface is clean. I just used a rag and wiped it clean. When placing it in, make sure that you are lined up where it belongs, the same way you took it off. All right, so once that goes in, you're going to line up where the bolt goes. Right about there. I would start the bolt by hand. Make sure you don't cross-thread anything. Put it in until you can't go anymore, and then we're going to torque it to 104 inch-pounds. Snug it up. Using a long socket, 10mm, we're going to torque this to 104 inch-pounds. Once you've torqued that, you can plug in your connector. You want to hear it click and check your connector, make sure it's tight. Now that you're done, you can start your vehicle and take it for a test drive.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.